focused. On the home screen, we are using Nova Launcher, which is a third-party app as a launcher. Notice it has some nice smooth animations. What we have here on the desktop is our calendar, which is a free app called Android Pro Widgets. It's the free version. There is a paid version that unlocks more stuff like themes, but this calendar here does sync up with Outlook and Gmail. Notice when I click on a day, it pulls up that day's tasks. I can go back to the calendar. I can go to the next month by pushing down the down arrow. This is some of the options here. Let's go back to the calendar. Nice big clock. Down in the corner here, we have a small icon which is hard to see in the video, but it is a task killer. You tap that little icon and it will kill tasks running in the background that don't need to be, so it keeps the system running extremely smooth. On the left, we have three icons. We have our camera, our browser, which is Dolphin Browser, and the Play Store. All extremely important. On the right, we have folders. I have a folder for System and Tools. This is Settings, Nova Settings, a File Explorer, and a CPU Manager, which is for overclocking the CPU. We have our Media. Media is Netflix, which you can log into. Crackle, which is a free video player. Lots of movies and TV shows for free. And it's all legal. YouTube, of course. MX Player is now your default media player. Extremely powerful. And iMedia Share down in the bottom, which is your DLNA player for connecting wirelessly to the other media devices on your network. And then we have games. I just installed a few, nothing crazy. And then, of course, all of your apps. Notice how snappy it is. It's returned. Alright, and then of course down bottom left, same old, we have back, home, tasks to bring up all of the tasks in the background, or recent apps, and then we have screenshot. To the right, I installed a Facebook, another Android Pro Widgets widget, which you can use or not. The first thing we'll look at is our little taskbar down at the bottom. Brings up a task manager, email, calendar, calculator. I found it useful just for the calculator in case you need it. One of the important things that you wanted to see was searching email. I go into my email, I search, and then I'll type in Cedar. Notice as I search, it's already limiting the criteria. I can shrink the keyboard. There's all my Cedar emails. I can continue searching on the server, one day before, a week before, a month before, all kinds of different options. All kinds of fun stuff. Alright, so yay, you can search now. No problem. I rented a movie last night. I know you were interested in renting movies. You rent movies, of course, through Play Movies. And there's a movie that I rented, Fire with Fire. Pretty good movie. Let me play that. The movie played flawlessly for me. Of course, it does take a few minutes to start, and it will, of course, depend on your internet connection wherever you are. Let me take it into the middle somewhere. And I did rent this movie in HD, so this is the high definition. No problems whatsoever with HD video. So, no issues there. the next cool thing I want to show you is your iMedia Share. iMedia Share will take any media that you have either on here, or it does do streaming. I have the free version installed. There is a paid version that allows more HD content, but one thing cool that you can do with this is as soon as you start it, as soon as it is running, I can go up here to my TV. I can go to my media, go to movie list, I'll pull up iMedia Share. If you have a Samsung TV, it may be different, but basically I can go under the videos, and I can watch anything that's on here. And you may not be able to see it well right now. See if I can zoom a little. So I'm going to pull up, I will go to, I will go back on here, and I'm going to pull up, I'll go to YouTube. And what's really cool here, I can do a search. Let me do a search for, let's say, Epic Rap Battles, so that we can pull up all of the Epic Rap Battles of history, which is an awesome series, in case you've never seen it. Now on here, I will go to YouTube. I will go to search results, and it connects to iMedia Share, and it brings up all of the search results. I can pick Barack Obama versus Mitt Romney. There we go. Anyways. Alright, anyways, you've got to watch those videos if you've never seen them. They're awesome. All of the videos are in standard definition because it's the free version, but it's still pretty awesome. So, that is iMedia Share. I can also take videos from here that I recorded with the tab. Let's go to my videos up on my TV. I go to videos, and then I pull up phone videos, which, like I said, the user interface may be different on your TV if you have Samsung. This is an LG. I'll go to all videos, and let's just pull up this quick one that I recorded simply to show you. And this is wirelessly streaming the video in high definition, 1280 by 720 from the phone, from the tab to my TV, which is pretty awesome. The one thing I would recommend, if you are going to record video with a tab, take it out of the leather case, because the case caused a creaking that I'm sure you can probably hear. It doesn't play videos saved very well. Like, I know you have rounders on here, and it's choppy. I think that's just because of the codec used. I don't think it plays well with the codec used to rip the movie. Anyways, so that's sharing your media. Notice everything happens really snappy. Everything's super quick on here now. You don't have anything to worry about. Battery life is still amazingly good. Trying to think of anything else you may want to know. But, I mean, super simple, super easy. Everything's great. So, let me know what you think.